In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save pages, videos, or posts on Google app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing, open your Google app and find the post that you'll wish to save. For instance, I'll wish to save this post, so I'll just tap on it to open. And once it is open, head to these three dots and you should see this option for bookmark or save. So if you tap on it, it will save your post. So that is just one way to save it. Alternatively, you can just go to the post. Let me just try with a video. This is a video, so I wish to save it. Just go to these three lines here and you can see we have an option to save. So if I tap on save now, you can see it has been added to collection. Now, should I want to refer to all the saved posts sometimes later, just open your Google app and go to your profile icon here and then go to saved collections. So if you tap on saved collections, here you'll be able to find all the saved items all together here. If you want to see all the saved, tap on these all saved items and this will open all the items in that folder. So that's how you can save on Google app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.